This is part 2 of modeling and simulation of simple parallel bus system. In this video, we will learn how to add controller, memory, W element and SPICE model to represent a pre-layout parallel bus interface. So let's get started. In the first step, we will add controller block in the workspace. To do that, first you have to apply IBIS filter from the drop-down menu, and then you have to select controller block and place it on the canvas. Next, we are going to place memory block or memory block IBIS model, which we can find next to controller block. So you have to just select it and place it in the workspace. Now, after placing controller and memory block, we need to connect those. To do that, we need interconnect. To place our interconnect, first we have to apply interconnect filter from the drop-down menu and select trace block from here. And we can place it between controller and memory block. In this parallel bus system, we are going to place some sub-circuit element or SPICE models which will represent data strobe signals. Alright. So to do that, we have to place sub-circuit element from the interconnects. Let's create some space here, and we are going to place it between traces and memory block. So let's rename this circuit element to tuning block because we are going to use it for data strobe signals tuning. All right. So let's name it tuning block and hit enter. So let's say I wanted to zoom in and zoom out to see number of pins, its assignment and all. To do that, you have to use scroll on your mouse, or you can use these keys to zoom in and zoom out. If you wanted to see a particular block on an entire screen, you can just click on this selected zoom, drag your mouse, and it will zoom the selected area. To fit all the blocks in the workspace, you have to click over zoom fit button from here. And as you can see, now we can see all the blocks placed in workspace. Now in the next step, I'm going to save the topology. To do that, you have to just click over topology and click on save button, or you can use shortcut keys Ctrl S. In the next video, we will edit all the properties of controller, trace, sub-circuit block and memory blocks and assign IBIS models to it. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.emaeda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel.